Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Anyways, y'all, I'm so excited for today's video because we are back with another makeup look. This is the makeup we are going to recreate today. This is perfect for date night, going out with friends or going to the club. You just want a little razzle dazzle, okay? Anyways, y'all, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe because subscribing is the only way you can be a part of the Glam Squad. If you don't know what a Glam Squad is, they're some of the best people on YouTube. We like makeup, we like fashion, and sometimes we do sit down videos. And y'all, I'm so excited for today's look. I'm talking way too much, y'all. Let's just get into the video. Period. So, y'all, as I said, I'm using the Batman rock and ColourPop wet palette, and I am going with this shade, and I am using a very dense fluffy brush for this, and I focus this mostly on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then I am slowly blending it in, and like that I have this beautiful shape. I'm gonna keep bringing this in, and I'm gonna use it as like a nose contour almost, but yeah. Like I've been doing a lot of makeup for date night, which is weird because I don't go on dates. I haven't been on a date in a while, so I don't understand where these date night obsessions look are coming from. But yeah, I'm just blending this all over the eyelid, and it's looking pretty good so far. Yeah, as always, I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, and I'm gonna cut my crease with that because I love this concealer so much. e.l.f. should really sponsor me at this point. This cut crease, it slaps. Okay, I'm gonna go back with the wet palette, and I'm using this shade and this shade. This look is gonna come out so cute because we're not done. This is the easy part. I mean, it's all easy, but like, you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna go with the light brown shade, and then I'm gonna go with the brown. And then I'm gonna blend everything together so it like look seamlessly. This is where the fun is gonna happen, y'all. I'm gonna put some glitter. Okay, so once you blend it and make sure everything is all blended together, you'll be left with this. This is where the magic will happen, y'all, so bear with me, okay? So I have a few glitter options. I can either use the silver one or this mermaid one. I think I'm gonna use both just because I like both of them and I really like them. They kind of like have the same color thing to it, so I don't think it will hurt it that much. I'm gonna use both. So I'm gonna grab my glue, y'all, my glue, and I really want a wing liner. This is so perfect for date night, y'all. Like everybody will be looking at you on this makeup and your date too. And I put it right here, following my cut crease, y'all. It's looking so cute. Obviously, y'all, you're gonna clean it. So to clean, I'm gonna go with the brush I was using, and then I'm just gonna like swipe any excess that I don't want off. It's very simple. Okay, y'all. So I did the other eyes off camera, And now we're gonna move on to the base. I'm gonna show you guys how to get a good dewy base. Okay, RV. We're gonna go with the Milani Aqua Bloom. This thing is amazing. I fucking live by this. Try it, y'all. Try it and let me know. And like once you try it once, you can never go back. Look how glowy, moisturizing it make my skin. Like amazing. What would give us this very sticky gripness that we want is the ELF Power Grip Primer. I tried it and I never back because it's so good. I usually do like 2 pumps. So sticky. And the two mixed together, the Milani and the ELF, amazing. Okay, y'all, so my primer is kind of like 95% dry. This is where I'm gonna go with my goodies. I'm gonna go with the LA Girl Tinted Foundation. This is very like buildable, but it's so sheer you can barely see it when you put it on the skin. I'm gonna go with that first. You know why? Because this is my winter shade, and now that summer's here, the shade is not shading, y'all. I am using a wet beauty blender. This is just to kind of like hide all my little dark circles that I have on my face. I don't know if you guys can see all the black spot because I broke out last week and I just have all this black spot. And then now I'm gonna go with the good stuff. Bourjois Paris, the healthy mix, okay? And I usually go with 2 pumps. And I'm gonna blend this with my beauty blender. Look at that. Amazing. For the concealer, I'm gonna go with the Hydrating Camo Concealer from ELF. Put that right here. Put that right here. And then I'm gonna lift the eye. Okay, y'all. I forgot what I was doing. I'm just setting my under eyes and I'm using a white powder. That's the process. I'm gonna go with blush from Colourpop. These are also affordable, y'all. I try to make this video as affordable as I can because like, cause I love y'all. Cause I love y'all. Drown me, please. I don't know. I'm feeling like a big bitch. Are you a big bitch? Colourpop again. At this point, Colourpop sponsor me. Please. Conic London lip plumping gloss. So pretty. Did you guys like it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very easy, very fast, and very simple. So I hope you guys liked it. And if you have reached this far and you have subscribed, then what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button right now, right now, right now. And also leave a comment on what you guys want to see next. And let me know if the audio is better because I am mic'd up. Anyways, y'all, I see you guys in the next video. Bye.